the blessed place called Philippines. I am a Filipino because I respect the flag of our country that represents nationality. I am a Filipino because I sing the national anthem with respect, love, and concern to our country. I respect every authorities. I respect every authorities that honestly served our country. I respectfully honor them and obey the laws that they made. I respectfully honor them. I respectfully honored them and obey the laws that they made. Every time I pass in front of the church, I never forget to genuflect to show my respect. I always with my family every time that I attend the mass. And we are always eating together while talking about the happenings in every one of us. I am a Filipino because I know how to use po and opo. I am honest to the people who care and love me, and to the people who serve me, and to the people who spread the word of God. Loyalty was always there, even I'm everywhere. I am a Filipino because I am responsible to the task that assigned to me as a student, child, siblings, and even being a citizen. As a Filipino, I work hard to achieve my goals in life. I am a Filipino because I am one of the people who make our country united. I inherit the generosity of my ancestors. Being generous to others is one of the characteristics of a Filipino. I honor the braveness of the Filipino heroes, and I believe the saying, ang hindi lumungon sa kanyang pinanggalingan